And first of all, I would like to thanks to all of my viewers and all of my subscribers. So today in this video we will discuss job openings from Canada. It's the latest job openings and there are huge job openings. So guys, if you're interested to apply for this job, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the latest job openings and how to apply and what is the experience and qualifications requirements to apply for this job. Everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. The first of which housekeeping supervisor job. Guys, to work as a housekeeping supervisor, you should have the proper knowledge, proper skills, and proper experience. So you should have English communications and you should have education as secondary school graduation certificates and minimum of experience 7 months to less than of 1 year. So this is the basic requirements to apply for this job. And you should have the specific skills like inspect sites or facilities to ensure safety and cleanliness standards, establish work schedules, coordinate work activities with other departments, assist cleaners in performing duties. So this is all about the specific skills to requirement to apply for this job. So if you are interested to apply for this job and if you are really eligible for this job, then you can apply by forwarding your all documents to the given official email ID before this date. So guys, after you sending your all documents to the official email ID, the shortlisted process will be start. So once your CV will be shortlisted, you can get a notifications to attend the interview in the fixed date and time. And once you getting success from the interview, the all rest process will be start by the employer. So let's move to next job. Next job is landscaper labor. So for this job, you should have the proper experience minimum of 1 year and you should have good communication in English and minimum of certificates you should have no degree no requirements and minimum of requirements is very important that the relevant experience. So guys, to apply for this job you should have the relevant experience only. If you're interested, you can apply by this email id. All official email id and including all informations you can get from the descriptions below this video. So you can collect the email id and you can send your all documents to the given official email id. So let's move to next job. Next job is food service supervisor. If you are belongs to food industry and if you have the proper experience and if you have the proper qualifications to work in food industry, then you can apply for this job. You should have good communication skills in English and you should have minimum of secondary high school graduation certificates and you should have minimum of 1 year or less than 2 years of experience in the relevant field. And the specific skills requirements like supervise and coordinate activities of staff who prepare and portion food, prepare and submit reports, maintain records of stocks, repair sales and wastage, establish work schedules, estimate and order in ingredients and supplies, ensure food service and quality control. So this is all about the skill, experience, education and language communication requirements to apply for this job. If you are fulfilling these requirements, then you can apply by forwarding your all documents to the given official email ID. And if you are available in Canada, also you can send by post in this postal address. So let's move to next job, database analyst. So nowadays, IT industry is very growing, and many of guys are moving to IT industry. So to move to data analyst to Canada, you should have the proper English language communication skills and you should have bachelor's degree in the relevant subject and you should have the minimum of 1 year of experience in the relevant field and you should have specific skills like collect and document user requirements, design and develop database, design, construct, modify, implement and test data models and database management system. This is all about the specific skills, experience, education, and language requirement to apply for this job. If you're really eligible for this job, you can apply by forwarding your all documents to the given official email ID. But before you sending and before you applying for this job, you should have to read it carefully, all the requirements, all the criteria, if you are fulfilling or not. This is all details are mentioned by the company. So my sincere request, please go to the descriptions below this video and collect this information and read it carefully before you apply for this job. So let's move to next job. Next job I will be explain you in this next video and there are huge openings. So I am describing you very shortly and all about to the get informations. If you get information, you have to be prepared to apply for this job, and you should have to verify yourself that you are really eligible for this job or not. So today in this video, I already shared with you different job openings like housekeeping supervisor, like landscape labor, like food service supervisor, like database analyst. So I hope you understand these requirements. This is the urgent requirements, and if you're really eligible for this job and you have a dream to move abroad with a job, then apply as soon as possible. After you apply, let's hope you will get reply and you can get an interview. And once you get success from the interview, the all rest process will be started by the company. So let's hope positive and apply as soon as possible. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers, and I hope you will share this information to your friends and relatives who want to move abroad with a job. And finally, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. And share these informations as much as possible. And I hope you will get a good opportunity by this information. And best of luck for your future job. So guys, again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. Best of luck. Bye.